Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday. We have a red flag warning that's in place for today. It's for inland Curry County, Josephine County, and Jackson County. It runs from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. as winds will be a little bit blustery, gusting out of the northwest upwards of 20 to 25 miles per hour. But this has mainly been issued because it's going to be so hot today and the fuels are just going to be really stressed out for today. And look how hot it's actually going to be for this Monday. Upwards of 115 for the Klamath River Valley, also upwards of 115 for the Rogue Valley. A little bit cooler for the Shasta Valley, then will likely be shy of 100 degrees for the Klamath Basin and for the mountains. So this is some very dangerous heat. It's already pretty toasty this midday. Look at this, already 90 degrees for Mount Shasta City, 87 for Medford, 88 for Grants Pass. So that's just a little appetizer of what we have for a little bit later today. Let's show you what happens a little bit later today in regards to the smoke, and we'll put this in motion. We'll stop it right around 5 p.m. And most of us will just have some very light haze. In fact, pretty clear skies for Lake County. But watch what happens to all of this thick smoke from the Bedrock Fire and from the Lookout Fire. Into the evening, it's going to start to drift down to the south and a little bit to the east as well. So we could see some thicker smoke in Jackson County, but especially for Klamath County. And then into tomorrow, some of that residual thicker smoke is going to be once again in Jackson County, but mainly in Klamath County. For the rest of us, just some very light haze. And then the thickest smoke, when we get that evening and overnight push in winds and smoke, well, it'll find itself back into Klamath County and Lake County. Let's go ahead and show you the non-smoke version of Stormcast. We'll put this in motion, stopping it right around 5 p.m. Clouds starting to increase from the south. Could have a few showers or thunderstorms in Siskiyou County, which would pose a very big risk for some fires to start in Siskiyou County just because the fuels are so dry. And then we'll continue putting this into motion into Tuesday. Could have some more widespread showers and thunderstorms, but this time not just for Siskiyou County, also for Jackson County and Josephine County and Klamath and Lake counties. And then we'll have a similar chance for thunderstorms into Wednesday as well. So for today, oppressive heat getting up into the 110s for the west side valley of Southern Oregon, and the west side valleys of Southern Oregon, I should say. And then for tonight, we'll have that thick area of smoke for portions of Jackson County and Klamath County. Overnight lows very balmy, especially for the west side valleys where we could be, well, dark in 75 overnight. And then, well, we do cool off for the next 7 days. That's the good news, but the bad news is that we have several chances for thunder and lightning in the forecast over the next 7 days. And so that combination of dry fuels, hot temperatures, and lightning, well, all of that will combine to create extreme fire weather impacts from Monday through Thursday. Here's a 7-day forecast for the coast. The hottest day along the coast will likely be on Wednesday, then after that cooling off a bit, but obviously we're going to be much cooler compared to inland spots. For Siskiyou County, we'll have several chances for showers and thunderstorms over the next 7 days, including for today. Now for the basin, we're thinking that that chance for thunderstorms is going to hold off until Tuesday, still dealing with some pretty thick smoke overnight and into the morning hours from the Bedrock Fire, from the Lookout Fire. Also the mountains up in northern portions of Klamath County are going to see quite a bit of smoke from those fires as well. And then for the Rogue Valley, will be very hot today, dangerously hot, likely the hottest day of the year, and then cooling off for the rest of the week, but several chances for thunderstorms.
All right, thank you, Josh. So even though the temperatures are gonna, get slightly cooler as the week goes on, it's still not anything that we should not be worried about when it comes to lightning and thunder, right?
Yeah, that combination of lightning mixed with very dry fuels means that numerous fires could start over the span of the next, 4 to 5 days. But I want to underscore just how hot we're going to be as well. By the time we get to Thursday, we're going to be on the downswing of the heat wave. It's still going to be 103.
Yeah, that's still extremely hot.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you, Josh.
Of course.